Hello, today is the fourth part of series on how to complete card operation using PHP PDO extension. And I have discussed in the previous video delete data from table using PHP PDO method. And in today's video we will learn how to fetch data from URL using PHP PDO. When we click the edit button, then this particular value pass the next page or update page and print name, email, phone and password. Okay, go to editor, the edit 1.php page, the table 1.php page. First pass id in the edit 1.php page. Copy this line and paste edit button. Edit.php. Edit 1 PHP and pass id here. Save, go to web and reload. Click edit and this particular id is 8. Okay, admin. Click edit and the URL we pass id 8. And now fetch data from URL according to this id. Go to edit.php, write the code here. First add database connection. Require once. My database file name is config.php. Now check if the user ID is provided in the URL. Check if the user ID is provided in the URL. If it's set, $_ get ID. $user ID equal to $_ get pass ID here. Now start try block. And go to table1.php page, copy these two lines, paste here. Now prepare and execute the SQL statement. Prepare and execute the SQL statement. $stmt equal to dollar con hyphen greater than prepare select star from my table name is registration, where id equal to colon id, dollar $stmt hyphen greater than bind parameter id colon id comma dollar user id semicolon. Next, dollar $stmt hyphen greater than execute semicolon and save. Now fetch the user data as an associative array. Fetch the user data as an associative array. Dollar user data equal to dollar $stmt fetch PDO double colon fetch underscore associative semicolon, and after try block, now start catch block. Catch PDO exception $e. Now display an error message. Display an error message. Echo error connecting to the database colon space dot $e hyphen greater than get message. And save. Now go to table1.php page and reload. Click first one, Usmita email, click edit. Okay, no error here. Now print name, email, phone and password. Go to edit1.php page and value equal to double quotation PHP echo dollar user data pass name. Save. After form, we write one hidden input field for ID. Copy one input field and paste here. Type is hidden. name is id, and here value equal to double quotation PHP echo dollar user data pass id, and save, and reload the edit1.php page. Okay, now same, we print email, phone and password. Copy this value, paste email and phone and password. Save. Type password type text. Save and reload the edit1.php page. See, now reload. Click the last one, admin. Click edit. See, admin@gmail.com, phone number and password here. And next video we'll learn how to update form data. Thank you.